Hello everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. Today we are making chicken Alinazik kebab. Alinazik is one of the well-known kebabs in Turkish cuisine. It has a grilled eggplant base mixed with yogurt, then topped with either cubed beef, lamb or minced meat. But today we are going to make it with chicken. I begin by grilling my eggplants. Make sure to prick a couple of times so it doesn't burst when it cooks. And I use this grilling pan. It heats right away and begin to cook the eggplants or whatever you are grilling. You can also grill your eggplants in the oven, but this way you get that grilling taste better with the flame. Next, the chicken. I have one chicken breast. It is halfway thawed, was frozen, so I had a bit hard time. But quickly catch that piece and going to cut it into small cubes. I'm heating up my wide pan and added about 3-4 tablespoons olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to saute the chicken pieces until they are truly changed their color. And meanwhile, I'm gonna chop my veggies. I have one medium-sized onion, couple of sweet green peppers and red peppers. We have different green pepper types in Turkey. We call a sivri biber, köy biberi, village pepper. Some of them are hot, some of them sweet. You can use any type you can find if you cannot find the ones I'm using. And I also usually, when it's the season, freeze my green peppers and red peppers so I can use year long. After I sauteed the peppers, I closed the lid to give some steam and let them soften, and then added some pepper paste along with olive oil and some tomato paste and sauteed thoroughly. As the spices, I used only paprika, pepper flakes, pul biber and salt. After sauteing for a couple of more minutes, I drizzled about 1/4 cup butter and get all the sauce that's intact to the pan. Add more olive oil and my topping is ready. Peeling the grilled eggplants can be tricky, but I found this way very easy with the help of a tablespoon. Just open from one part and then scoop out the flesh. As you can see, it's very easy, and you can even take out the skin whole right away. If you see too much seeds in the eggplants, you can get rid of some of them. If they are less, I usually just use them all. I just finely chopped as much as I can and then transferred it to my bowl. I grilled my eggplants and then peeled it. Now it is ready. If you see some clear water coming when it rests, you can discharge them, drain them a little bit to make the base thicker. You can also use thick yogurt that is strained, but I usually prefer it like this. I don't buy any strained yogurt. And my topping is ready here. The only thing left is to mix my grilled eggplant with yogurt and serve. It smells delicious and very easy to make. Again, I always say this, but when I choose the recipes, I try to make it easy for you so you can make it without hassle and enjoy while making and eating it. Okay, my friends, it's ready. You can sprinkle some chopped parsley to give some extra color and taste, but originally it is served like this, I believe, and looks beautiful, smells beautiful. I'm gonna give it a try. I can taste the grilled eggplant right away, and mixing it with yogurt gives a beautiful, rich taste, and it is really good with chicken as well. So give it a try. You can serve it with plain rice, seasonal summer salad. It would be perfect. This is it for today's episode. I hope you're gonna try and enjoy. Don't forget to share your comments with me, and if you try how it turned out, do share it. And see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.